what's up? I'm here with the new Toyota Corolla. I'm telling you guys, it's a tongue twister. And I must say, I love this car from the start of my review, and you'll see why soon. So, looking at the design, it is so not uncle anymore, so much more angular, though some people will argue that it looks facelifted. Now looking at this from an angle, I like how the sun shines and it reflects the lines very accurately. You see how the lines come all the way forward, and it gels up with the Toyota badge right there. But then this line is actually slanted a little bit. It's not a straight line right there, but I like that. I like that a lot. See, there's a lot of continuity. How the line from here goes down here. See, this goes down, emphasizes. I like how everything points to the Toyota badge and then it goes back up. See this headlight right here? These are double J's as they call them. One here, one here. Daytime running lights, and this bi-halogen. Now, a lot of people have been commenting, what's this? Bumper or grill ni? Why you don't like? I think it's pretty nice. And I said before, design languages of cars. Now, if you compare this with the Mazdas copy and sort of paste with all their models, Mazda 3, Mazda 6, but this one, it looks similar. You can see the similarities, but it's not so similar that you cannot tell it apart, which is what I like. Similar with the XC90 and XC60. So I like it. I think I was really hoping that it drives similar to the Camry and Yaris, and it actually does. Check out my review for that. Now, see the fog lights right there. So the front, very angular, very busy. A lot of lines going on, guys. I wouldn't say it's my favorite type of design, but I would say they're trying to make a statement as to it not being an uncle car anymore, and I like that. Now, when you see it from the front, it looks low, it looks a bit bulky, right? Okay, I'm gonna skip the side for now and just head to the back. I hate the back. I'm sorry. This still looks very uncle lah, huh? I don't like it. I think could have been done nicer, but hey, it's fine. Some people do like it. But driving behind this for quite a while, you will see that it bulges out the side here a bit. And I like that it looks like it has a stance from the body shape. The fender comes out a bit. I think that's very nice. But this whole design here, nah, not to my liking. Of course, rear fog lights, you need that in a Toyota. And this strip is actually just one whole chrome lining going all the way here. Although, in certain lightings, it actually feels like a design where it actually lights up. Now, the one that we have here is 1.8G. It comes in 1.8E as well. For the pricing, I'm gonna flash it here. Ta-da! Okay, this has Corolla Altis on it. However, Malaysia is branding it as Toyota Corolla without the Altis, but regionally it's still gonna be known as Toyota Corolla Altis. I can't find it. Does it have it? Oh, I found it. It's here, guys. Not powered. I wouldn't say it's very light, but it'll do. Again, I'm gonna do this because it's required. Okay, yeah. My boot space. Woo! So this is my boot space, guys. How I used to measure is if I can put my legs straight. Now this is as much as I can do. It's a little bit bent. So if I were to compare this with the Civic, this is definitely smaller than the Civic. Though I'm not complaining. I think it's sufficient, but the Civic really does have a huge boot. Now, can you access anything from the... Oh no, guys, this is why I don't... Ah! If I were afraid of the dark or I'm claustrophobic, that would really be scary.
There's no anti-kidnap lock.
I don't think there is.
No.
But it's so dark, I cannot even see anything. Man, so that's how it feels like, guys. That's how it feels like to be kidnapped. Thanks, Chris.
You're welcome.
Don't trust tall bald men who wear caps and have glasses. Nah, I'm just kidding. Okay, one thing that I noticed while driving behind this is the light for the indicator. Very small, can't see much actually. Okay, now going to the side. 17-inch wheels. Now these rims remind me of the rim design on the Honda HR-V. It's just that it has more spokes. But if you notice the Honda HR-V one, which I'm gonna just put here, actually has the similar design whereby this and then this is a little bit sharper. But this is 17-inch, similar to the ones before. And this one is just a little bit wider, so this is 225/45.
Did you notice the anti-splash built into the bumper?
Anti-splash?
Yeah, right here. You see this little lip?
Oh, what does that do?
When you kick up some dirt or whatever, this is actually the trajectory of where it would hit your bumper.
Okay.
So this kind of stops it.
Oh, okay, so where does it direct it to? Downwards, is it?
It will just hit here and then drip down.
Oh, very nice touch, Toyota. And I learned something today. That's awesome. One thing that I would like to see whether it has... Okay, why is it making so much noise? It's because my lights are on, so it's telling me to turn them off. I'm gonna get the keys now to see whether... Is it keyless entry? It's not keyless entry, huh?
It is.
Oh, it is keyless entry.
Yes.
But it doesn't even tell you that it's keyless entry. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna walk away. I just unlocked it. And I'm gonna see whether it locks. Nope, I still have it here. It doesn't lock. How do I know? Because the side mirrors close when it's locked. So I'm gonna lock it now. I'm gonna see whether I can unlock it from the back passenger. Nope, unable to do so. What about the front? Nope. So it's only for the drivers, guys. Only driver can unlock via keyless. Very nice. Oops, a bit too hard right there. Okay, interior time. So, coming in. Now if he closes the door, I wouldn't be so scared anymore.
No, it's what you said.
Okay. Now, coming into the car, as you can tell, powered seats. Now this is only for the driver. This is the highest spec. Who's that? The passenger to my left has manual seats, which is completely fine. These seats look so comfortable. These are genuine leather seats, perforated, and it's really very, very comfortable. I've been sitting inside for half a day. Very nice. What I think would be something that I don't really like is how the dashboard looks like. I think everyone agrees this is very ugly. What this is just doesn't suit lah. I mean, you've done so well on the outside, but on the inside it's like, if you want to put this, put a smaller holder. Why do you have to put such a big holder that has so much space right here? I don't think that's nice. And it's huge, okay? It's huge, it's not even floating. I don't know why you don't incorporate it into this design, whereby this one comes up. Maybe there's a little bit more design there. Maybe it doesn't look ugly, maybe you guys have tried. You have your aircon vents here, your aircon vents there. I like the continuity, I think that's nice, but this again, I don't get why it protrudes out so much. So I have a theory that Toyota designs are just protruding. I mean, look at the CHR, it's protruding so many things. Okay, all your buttons are here, very nice touch. Rotary knobs, again very nice, but this is very plastic, which is fine. Plastic here. You have wireless charger, good if you use it my phone card. Okay, I don't get why the mode of driving is here. I don't know why you don't put it here. Again, I feel like when you put it here, it distracts you from the road a bit lah, huh? Middle is very simple. It feels like they have minimized this space in order for you to have more room. You see how it doesn't touch? So if I were to go forward more, and would it rub against? No. Now, I noticed that a lot of car makers, in order to give you more room, Look at that, I still can put my finger right through. But a lot of car makers, in order for them to give you more room in the center, they have compromised. So when you are short like me, and let's say you go all the way to the front, this actually rubs against your middle, making it very uncomfortable, and you can hear the sound when it squishes together. So Toyota did a good job, I think. They sacrificed space in the middle to put junk for us for that, and I think that's a good move. Electric handbrake, you can go into sport mode, you can go into manual mode, and yeah, you have your USB port there, 12-volt socket, you have sweets there, thank you. Not that deep, okay? I cannot, it's just like that. 2 cup holders here. You want another USB port, is here, aux cable is here. Now, let's look at the dash key. Oh, accessory. Now the dash is very simple. Well, there's nothing much, it's just very simple. I wouldn't say it's super nice. One of the animations that it has is that red. Yeah, that's about it. Can I get info by... Nope. Oh, I can. So this... Okay, eco indicator. Yeah, so I can get info in the middle here. Now it's a little bit different from the Vios. The Vios, remember, it's the side thing right here. I'm just gonna turn it off, and oh, it's just telling me like my door's open. Now the side. Hi, you're so close. Okay, the side. There should be a hole here. Why didn't it? I'm like, just put another compartment here. You did compromise the middle one. See what you can put on the side here. Compartment here, compartment here. You can probably put a little bit bigger, but that's about it. This door handle here is one piece. It looks very bad though, like there's nothing much going on. Reminds me a little bit of the HRV as well. Other than that, I think it's good. It feels very solid. Yeah, very solid. Buttons are good. Buttons feels good. Let's head on to the back. Let's see the lining. This shape is also very unique to me. It's like protrudes out here again, protrusion, and here is soft touch. So brilliant. Why at the back got hole? Why in the front don't have hole? Because in front the design is like that, so you can grab onto your door handle. This one you have to grab onto your door handle like this. So it's nice. I like the compartment right here. Now for the back. Yeah, a bit too hard. My headroom, my legroom. Again, I'm completely okay with it. There's nothing wrong. 2 cup holders here, air blowers, air conditioning, and can you access? Oh, you can. So you can access the boot from here. Ooh, check it out. I'm not gonna go all the way forward. No, this is a car review, Beng. You have to do it. Okay. If my split personality tells me to do it, I will do it. It's pretty hard. So can it go all the way down? You see what I get myself into sometimes? I feel I'm quite heavy one. No, I feel quite stupid one. But then again, I also feel I'm quite smart one. I think there's a split personality in all of us. This is the maximum... Oh, sorry, camera wrong way. This is the maximum angle that I can open the door. It's not that wide, guys. I'm just showing you from the back. It's just like this. Nope, you cannot push it anymore. That's how far it can go down. Yep, and you can do the same with that chair as well. Now, how does it feel? It feels very upright. I have perfect leg support. I have no problem. Yeah. Oh, at the back, you don't really have space for anything right here. Can you see? I just say put a bottle, and that's it. Space here. Did I mention also the stitchings? Yeah, just that. Very simple, very no frills. I think it's nice. But I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Not by... I think design is just not your forte, and that's fine, but the drive is good. Check out my driving. Bye guys! So since we're stuck in a very bad jam and it's raining, just showing you guys. I missed this out just now. It comes with a built-in dashboard. So,
you can't see it from the driver's side.
Yeah, that's the thing. See?
It's totally blocked by this.
dual climate control. And this, I understand, is a curved window. I think it's so great because it makes the car feel so much brighter. This gives a very nice car. It's a very nice touch to the car. And showing you what these are. I feel like there are too many buttons right here. And you see, when you want to change your music to go next and previous, but your volume button is here. I would appreciate actually if they made everything on one side and everything on the other, but I get that they want to do it linearly as well. So this just belongs to the music and anything that has to do with voice commands as well, or sound. And this whole thing is mainly for what you see in the middle here, your call, and this is everything that has to do with the road. So that's how they differentiate their buttons right here. Feels very, very good. So yeah, these are the things that you find when you spend more time in the car. Okay, gonna spend more time in the car now. It's been 45 minutes, it's just now. Bye.